The scanning electron microscope that we have in the facility is on its last leg. It's functional, but we don't have a service contract for it anymore. That microscope is one that looks at surface features, and so this is a whole new world of exploring tissues. And so this microscope in particular is one that can be used to display biological specimens in a way that almost anybody can understand and appreciate. The students in the classroom get to explore tissues and look at how the ultrastructure of these tissues relate to the functions. And so they get to apply it in a little more sophisticated way to look at function and structure. So the experience alone is worth the price of admission for these microscopes. The scanning electron microscope is not something that everybody has access to. Most undergrads won't have the experience. And so we have that unique experience here that they actually get to do it, they get to work with it, they get to explore what they want, and they get all the time that we can give them to do it on their own. And the access to this facility, for what is a good example of what we have to offer, because most labs in any institution are going to have similar setup. I mean, they're going to have their microscopes and they're going to have their pipettes. But looking at this facility, for example, these are $300,000 microscopes that an average undergraduate student at any other institution probably won't get their hands on, let alone see one. And so here we promote it and we want the students to get involved. And so we train them on it and we walk out of the room and say, have fun. And they get that experience of exploring whole new worlds. So that's the things that I like to highlight about SVSU, is that we have these resources that we can use to help students, and they actually get to do the stuff. They get to the hands-on skills that will benefit them later.